My name is Taiwo Jeffrey. I am the freelance guy. If you are new here in this YouTube channel, please kindly do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is what we kept me going. You have nothing else than to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you always see the notification whenever I drop the new updates. So in today's video, I actually want to show us on how after you have done the review, maybe you have reviewed your account and you want to now leave a review, like you want to write something on the review. So I want to quickly show us a quick step on how to do that, and how to review your account just like the buyer usually do when they order our first gig on Fiverr. So I want to show us the same way on how to do it more better so that your gig can have more ranked, and then it can be always suggested to the rightful buyers. So after you've done the review, then you deliver, then you go to your buyer's account. So where I will go to my buyer's account now, I'll click here. I think it's on. Okay, it's here. So now after you've accepted it, then they will take you to this guy. Let me exit first. Then they will take you to this guy, which is a rate. Rates. So when you are rating, you ensure that you rate the like 5-star. You click on this guy, then you ensure that you click on these boxes, creativities, you marked it, permission, professionalism of work, you marked it, attention to details, you marked it, brand alignment, you marked it, what again, visual appeal, you marked it, then exceeded expectation, you marked it. Then you click on next. Then the same thing, you still do what? You still click on the 5-star. Please don't give like poor or something, give the 5-star. Then you tick this, this is a delivery time, quick responsiveness, politeness, you ticked it, language fluency, you marked it, proactive. These are the things that Fiverr we actually sensed for them to rank your gig. Okay, so then the last stage, you don't need to tick anything, you just need to review the 5-star. Okay, so you can see that, let me back again, you can see that this is the total money that I paid for that $5 for the review is 8 points, including the Fiverr charges, 8.28. okay, then I'll mark it. Then you now write something good on this board. Okay, and when you are writing a review, like when you are leaving a feedback, we call this one feedback, that we show on the public. Okay, because these are the things after the 5-star, there is going to be a feedback, like write something here, like a feedback on, okay, my experience on the work and all of that. So the best way for you is to write just a few lines, like let me just say 2 or 3 lines. Thank you for the thank you for the great work. Thank you for the great work. Thank you for the great work you have done for me, even being the first time. I will highly recommend our gig to anyone. I will highly recommend our gig to anyone. So you can just leave it like this, just 2 lines is okay. You don't need to be writing a full epistle. You can see that just 7 more words will make it super helpful review, but it is just $5. You don't need to be writing much bigger review, because by the end of the day, after you write the whole full epistle and all of that, Fiverr may flag your account, or they may give you warning. Okay, so for you to avoid that, you have to ensure that you are wise enough to write just 2 lines, then after that you can submit your review, and boom, you are done. Okay, so this is just how to review your account, on how to make the account very look nice and all of that. So if you find this video helpful, once again, please don't forget to share this video, and whatever you want me to do for you, probably you want me to cover some videos for you on Fiverr or on Upwork, so kindly put it on the comment section that this is what area I'm facing, challenges I'm facing on my freelancing careers and all of that, so I can talk about the videos, I can research more on the videos, then I will make sure I do the video. So let me know like what you are experiencing, like what you want me to do, like the video that you want me to cover. Just put it on the comment sections. I am available and I'm ready to do that for you. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels, and don't forget to like my videos, share my videos to your friends, share my videos. There's some other videos that I've done on my YouTube channel that you can watch, that can be of helpful to your friends, people that are just starting as a newbie on freelancing. So thank you so much once again. My name is Taiwo Shegun. Once again, I am the Freelance Guy. So you can find me on TikTok, the Freelance Guy. You can find me on Facebook, the Freelance Guy. You can find me anywhere, even on Instagram, the Freelance Guy. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.